question for everybody. How many have you ever heard of tax lien or tax deed investing?
Yes.
A few people, yes? Okay. How many of you know that Los Angeles County is having their tax sales? One person, two people. Two people know that three maybe. Three people know that Los Angeles is having their tax sales. They're having it next month, okay? If you want to buy some properties, 50% off, that's where you buy them, at the tax sales, okay? That's what we do. We do tax sales, we do tax lien and tax deed investing. We do it on a national basis, okay? Also, we're #1 in the country on TikTok, okay? Our videos are worldwide, so we're very pushing a lot on the social media stuff too. If you want to follow us up, you can go to taxsalesevent.com. We have a $10 trial. So you want to learn how to do it? $10. We'll give you 30 days for $10. Can't beat it for that, okay? But thank you guys.